I'm Valeria and today I'm going to talk to you about how to motivate yourself to work out. Number one thing I think is to find the right fit for whatever workout clothes you have. If you're a female, obviously you want to get the right size sports bra and one with the right support. If you're going to be doing running or boxing, some cardio activity, of course you want to have more support in your bra. And of course, if you're doing some ballet moves at the bar or yoga, it doesn't have to be as much of a support. You want to be thinking about what kind of pants you would be wearing. If it's chilly or you need to keep yourself warm during an exercise, wear something warmer. But if you know you're going to be doing a lot of cardio activity, little shorts or something that will keep you cool during your exercise will work best. Number two, think of an event that you're looking forward towards. For a lot of people, it's summer. What I usually think about is what's the next event that I'll be going to where I need to look my best. Is there a birthday party that's coming up, some kind of lunch event, New Year's, honeymoon? Number three, pick the right time and place to work out. When do you feel the most motivated? For some people, it's as soon as they wake up. If they don't go, they don't work out. For some people, it's at the end of the day when they've done all of their stuff, work, chores, writing, whatever it is. For some people, it's whenever their favorite teacher is teaching. For example, my ballet classes, my yoga classes, they're all in the afternoon, so I fit them in whenever I'm working, and sometimes I'll have work in the evening, so I get to go to those. Also, what's your favorite place to work out? Is it the gym? Is it outside? Is it with people? Do you love classes? Do you like working out by yourself? Do you like hiking? If you are working out by yourself, you need something in your earbuds. So make a playlist. The one that's going to motivate you to work out. The one that you can't listen to unless you're working out on your treadmill. Or are you going to be listening to your audiobook? So you're going to actually dedicate that hour while you're walking on a treadmill or riding that bike, and you're actually going to be educating yourself. Maybe a podcast. Number five, who is someone that inspires you, somebody you look up to in the fitness world? Follow them on Instagram. Somebody whose body type is similar to yours, where you know you can get yourself to. Somebody who shares tips, somebody who shares workouts, motivational videos. Number six, only do workouts that you actually love. If you don't want to do kickboxing, don't do kickboxing. If you don't want to do CrossFit, don't do CrossFit. Do as many classes as you can to find what it is that you actually love. I wouldn't have known that I wanted to do ballet. I just thought I wanted to do ballet. But when I actually did it, it all made sense. With every day passing, you're gonna start feeling and looking better and better. And that's gonna motivate you because you see the result and you feel better. You can get your stress out. The more you work out, the more you're gonna want to work out. So these are my motivational steps for working out. Please share with me, what are yours? How do you motivate yourself? Or are any of these gonna help you to motivate yourself? Thanks so much.